Welcome to the SNAPTAIN P30 Pro first use tutorial video. Unboxing. Open the box and remove SNAPTAIN P30 Pro and its accessories. Download the app. Scan the QR code on the package or search SNAPTAIN Fly on App Store to download and install the app. Flight preparation. Insert the battery into the charging dock and connect the provided charging cable to the dock's charging port. Remove the camera cover. Unfold the drone arms. Short press to check the battery level. When the battery is fully charged, insert it into the aircraft. Take out the control sticks from the storage slots at the bottom of the remote controller. Install the control sticks. Connect the USB charging cable to charge the remote controller. When charging, the LED screen displays charging. When fully charged, the LED screen displays charge done. Insert a memory card to ensure high-quality footage and sufficient storage space. Place the aircraft on a level surface. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. The rear LED indicator will flash red quickly, indicating the aircraft is ready to pair with the remote controller. Press the power button on the remote once, then press and hold the same button for 3 seconds to turn on the remote. The remote will automatically pair with the aircraft. Once paired successfully, the LED display will show GPS mode, and both the front and rear LED indicators will flash white slowly. Extend the mobile device clamp at the top of the remote. Place your smartphone inside the clamp. Linking. Enable the WLAN on your mobile device, then connect to the Wi-Fi network SNAPTAIN P30 Pro and launch the SNAPTAIN Fly app. Fly basics. Safety precautions. Avoid flying in areas with weak GPS signals or limited space. Choose an open, unobstructed environment for flight. Compass calibration. Simultaneously push the left control stick to the upper right corner and the right control stick to the upper left corner. Follow the app instructions. Hold the drone horizontally with its head facing forward, then rotate it 360 degrees. You will hear a single beep from the remote, indicating that the horizontal calibration is complete. Hold the drone vertically with its head facing up and turn it 360 degrees. You will hear a single beep from the remote, indicating that the vertical calibration is complete. Place the aircraft on a level surface and wait for it to search for satellites. After searching for enough flight, the app will show ready to fly. You can enter the setting interface to adjust the beginner mode distance, altitude, and other settings. Manual takeoff. To unlock the motors, simultaneously push the left control stick to the lower right corner and the right control stick to the lower left corner until the propellers start rotating. Push the left control stick forward on the remote to take off the aircraft. Auto takeoff. Tap the one-key takeoff icon on the app, then slide to unlock and take off the aircraft. After takeoff, the icon will change to landing. Tap the landing icon and slide to make the aircraft land automatically. Flight orientation. After takeoff, the left control stick is used for adjusting the flight altitude and nose orientation. The right control stick allows the aircraft to move forward, backward, and to the left and right. Taking photos and videos. Tap the shooting modes button on the right in the camera view of the app and choose the shooting mode, such as photo, video, time-lapse, or panoramic shooting. Tap the shooting parameters menu of the camera view to set camera parameters. You can also adjust the tilt of the gimbal by using the gimbal dial on the right side. Use the dial on the left side of the remote controller to adjust the zoom. The photo button is on the left side of the remote controller's screen, and the video button is on the right side. Press the photo button to take photos. Press to the video button, start recording, and press again to stop. Tap the album icon to view and download your footage shot. Smart RTH. During flight, press the RTH button on the left side of the screen to initiate Smart RT8. The remote will start beeping and the aircraft will return to the last recorded home point automatically. Manual landing. Push the left stick down and hold. The aircraft will land to the ground and the motors stop. Storage. Power off the aircraft. Power off the remote controller. Remove the control sticks and store it in the storage slots on the bottom of the remote controller. Fold the aircraft arms. Attach the camera cover. Remove the battery. Store the aircraft and remote controller in the carry bag. Thanks for watching.